Struggling with ankle pain or looking for extra support during workouts? In this video, we're reviewing the best ankle braces to help you stay active and injury-free. Our channel brings you quality product insights daily so you can make the best choices. Stick around to find the perfect brace for your needs. Number 1. BioSkin TriLok Ankle Brace for Women and Men. Dr. Kripe says the BioSkin TriLok ankle brace is the most popular ankle brace among orthopedists and podiatrists he works with. This hypoallergenic wrap brace is made of lycra and polyester, providing excellent support and stability in a form-fitting package. The brace also features extra arch support, which makes it great at relieving plantar fasciitis pain and preventing injuries. We love that it can be worn with shoes or sandals and is comfortable and breathable enough for all-day use. Reduce swelling in your foot and ankle after an injury with the soft ankle compression sleeve, which promotes faster, shorter recovery times. Use as a plantar fasciitis relief night splint to alleviate pain and discomfort while you sleep. Number 2. Aircast AirSport Ankle Support Brace. The Aircast AirSport Ankle Support Brace has a semi-rigid design that provides compression and stabilization to help you prevent or recover from grade 1 or 2 ankle sprains. Dr. Kripe says pneumatic ankle braces like this one are a good choice for high-grade sprains and acute injuries. The brace protects against both inversion and eversion of the ankle joint and features AirCell technology, a cross strap, and forefoot and shin wraps to provide extra compression and stabilization. Provides moderate support and compression utilizing AirCell technology and incorporates a semi-rigid encased shell which delivers stability and comfort. The entire AirSport can be hand-washed in lukewarm water with mild soap and air-dried. Medical conditions and indications. Prevent ankle sprains, chronic ankle instability, control inversion, eversion, and plantar flexion inversion, plantar fasciitis, posterior tibial tendon dysfunction. Number 3. Modvel 2-Pack Ankle Brace Compression Sleeve. The Modvel ankle brace is made with stretchy, breathable fabric for a comfortable and supportive fit. There are 11 colors and 6 sizes available to accommodate anyone who needs extra ankle compression. Each sleeve features double silicone gel strips to keep it in place, and the fabric wicks away moisture to keep your feet dry and odor-free. We love that you get 2 compression sleeves, so you can have one for each foot or keep the second as a spare. Comprehensive protection with our Achilles tendon support and foot brace combination. Crafted with a stretchy knitted construction, effectively stabilizes feet during a range of activities and minimizing the risk of injuries. Elevate your workout experience with our ankle brace for running compression socks. Whether you're into basketball, hiking, or other physically demanding activities, our ankle brace is your reliable companion. Number 4. BodyProx Ankle Brace. The BodyProx Ankle Support Brace is a strap that wraps around your foot and ankle to provide support, protect from sprains, and reduce pain caused by plantar fasciitis. The brace is open at the heel to allow for greater range of motion while still providing adequate support. It's made of breathable material for comfort, durability, and flexibility, and is machine washable for easy cleaning. Each order contains one brace that will fit either foot. The ankle support brace provides adjustable support suitable for sprains and mild swelling from overworked muscles. It features a shorter style that is more suitable for all ages when compared to our other braces. It contains 60% neoprene for its heat-retaining benefits and 25% nylon for added stretch and comfort. The ankle support brace is extremely flexible and moves with your body as it progresses through the healing process, providing support and stability. Number 5. Velpo Ankle Brace. The Velpo Ankle Brace is a rigid stirrup-style brace that features pads made of gel or foam on either side of the ankle to provide support. It can be used for a grade 2 or grade 3 ankle sprain, as well as tendinitis or injury prevention. One thing that makes this brace stand out is that the gel pads can be frozen or heated for cold or heat therapy. However, heating or freezing the foam pads can damage them, so make sure you keep the brace out of the freezer or microwave if you select the foam option. features high-elasticity sponge pads. The pads are made of breathable, skin-friendly modal fabric combined with sponge, durable and long-lasting design. Based on the physiological differences between the left and right ankle bones, we have designed left and right splints with different curves to fit the ankles on both sides more precisely. Two adjustable lateral straps ensure quick and secure fastening, offering a skin-friendly, gentle touch while keeping pressure consistent and preventing any loosening.